So you want to change the default currency symbol that is used in Microsoft Excel. You might also want to change the default number of decimal places which is applied when you use the currency format. Now the first thing you need to know is that this setting isn't actually in Excel. It is a Windows setting. Now to get to that setting, hold down the Windows key on your keyboard and then press the R key. That'll open up the Run dialog box in which you need to type Control International, just as I have done there. Then click on OK. Now that'll open up the Region dialog box and you need to go down to Additional Settings and then you need to go to Currency. And it will show the currency symbol that is currently being used by default. And from this list, you can select a different currency symbol. So for example, if I selected dollars and then clicked on apply, you can see it's changed the currency symbol that's being used in my spreadsheet. Now it hasn't done it over here and we need to come back to that in a minute. Now if you don't see the currency symbol that you want to use in this list, you need to cancel out of this dialog box and then change the country that appears here. For example, if I chose South Africa here and then went to Additional Settings, you'll see if I go to the Currency tab, I now have R, the Rand symbol, made available to me. Now the other thing you might want to do is to change the number of default decimal places that are used when you apply the currency format. Now I'm just going to change the country back to English United Kingdom. I'll go back to Additional Settings, back to Currency. So I'm going to keep this as dollars, but I'm going to change the number of decimal places to 0. Now I need to click on OK and then on OK again. And to apply that setting, I would need to select the cells that I want to apply the new default currency format to, go up here and then choose Currency. And you'll see that it no longer displays the 2 decimal places. So we can see that by changing the default currency that's being used across Windows, it has changed the currency symbol that's used in column C, but it hasn't changed the currency symbol that's being used over here. Now the difference between these two columns is that column C was using the then default currency symbol. Whereas over in this column, someone's actually changed the currency symbol from the default. And they would have done that by selecting the cells, right-click, Format Cells, and then changing the currency symbol here. Now to get this column to use the default currency symbol, it's just a matter of reapplying the currency format from this drop-down list. And you can see it now uses the dollar symbol rather than the yen symbol. Okay, that's all I wanted to cover in this particular video. Hopefully that's useful. If it is, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you next video.